Fire in the hole, let's cook a chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue pit. If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you know that recently my buddy Tango Joe sent me a Havasu Lime marinade that he got in Lake Havasu, which is his home. He lives in Sound Beach, New York, but he splits his time between Lake Havasu and Sound Beach. Anyway, he sent me this marinade, so I thought I would marinate a chicken with it. And it looks to me like this marinade is completely injectable. So I got my marinade injector out. I'm going to fill it up with some of that marinade and get this chicken. I got a chicken here. We're going to inject him with it. Some of that Lake Havasu Lime marinade. Looks like good stuff to me, Tango Joe. I don't know, man. Looks really good. I'm gonna get them all injected up. Get some in his legs. It's beautiful color. It's probably got some paprika and lime in it, I guess, but it's a beautiful color. We're gonna get him all injected with it. Get his legs injected up. I'm gonna get them all marinated up with it. Whoop! I just squirted myself with marinade, but that's okay. Hey, what I wanted to show you what I'm gonna do is he also sent me some black garlic, which is something I'd never used before. But what I thought I would do is take some of it and shove it up under the chicken's skin, under the breast skin of the chicken, carefully. Careful not to rip it. A couple of cloves under each side of the breast. Yeah, black garlic. Never had this before. I'm gonna make a dipping sauce with that too. I'm gonna get some black garlic up under there, and I got some slices of lime that I'm gonna shove up under there too. A couple of slices of lime up under his skin, if I can get it. If I can get a couple of slices on each side, I'll be happy, but I don't know if that's going to happen. There's one. Yeah, I think I can get two on each side of under his skin of his breast over there. That's where we want to flavor the most of it up. And then I've got some lemons and some limes that I'm going to just shove in his cavity. Shove them up in the cavity of the chicken. Yeah, we'll stuff them up good with that lemons and limes. That should make a nice citrusy flavoring for our chicken, because the chicken's got the marinade is a lime marinade. It's got a citrus lime marinade. Get some more of that lime up in there. So we've got that black garlic and some lemons and lime stuffed up under the chicken. I gotta finish injecting him. I wasn't done injecting him when I got squirted. But yeah, we're going to pump him up full of that Lake Havasu lime marinade. I might save a little bit of it. I might save out a bit of it to mop him with as he's cooking. Yeah, I'm going to let him sit in there. We're going to inject him some more. It already looks good enough to eat, I'll tell you. And I got some more of that black garlic. I'm going to make a dipping sauce for chicken with the black garlic. So I'm going to let him go overnight in that marinade, let him sit in there, and he's got that black garlic up under his skin, and he's got that limes up under his skin, and then tomorrow we'll get him up on the rotisserie and get him cooking on some charcoal. So stay tuned. My well marinated chicken has been sitting in the marinade all night, and now he's trussed up on the spit and spinning over charcoal. We got a little bit of apple wood producing a light smoke. Takes about an hour to cook a chicken, but we're going to come back after about a half an hour and mop him with some of that Lake Havasu lime sauce. So stay tuned, I'll show you what that looks like. That yard bird has been in the fire for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to give him a mop with some of that Lake Havasu marinade that Tango Joe gave me. Give him a good mop with that. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that's some good stuff, Joe. That's some good stuff you gave me to hook up. Tango Joe gave me to hook up. Look at that. Don't that look good? Oh yes. Nothing like a Yardbird on the grill. Alright, that's his first mop. We're going to mop him some more after this with that Lake Havasu Lime marinade. It looks really good. Really good looking stuff. Look at the color of that chicken. He looks excellent. Alright, we're going to mop him some more in a little while. Meanwhile, we're just going to let him cook. We're going to make a black garlic dipping sauce for a bread dipping sauce. So stay tuned. While my chicken's cooking, I want to make a dipping sauce with some of this black garlic. So I got my garlic press out here. I'm going to drop a couple of cloves of that in there, about 3 cloves of black garlic. Get them pressed out into the bowl here. That's hard stuff to do. I'll tell you what, I got some of it. Anyway, we got some black garlic in there, mashed up. We're going to put a little bit of balsamic vinegar in there, just a touch. Balsamic vinegar. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. That's good stuff. Then I got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to drop some of that in there. This is kind of like when you go to a really nice Italian restaurant. They bring this to your table with some, with some nice fresh bread for you to dip in. So I got some Tango Spice porchetta rub. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. About a teaspoon of porchetta rub. And about a teaspoon of Rome is Burning. Some excellent spices from Tango Joe right there. Going to mix those up with that black garlic and that extra virgin olive oil. I think we need a little bit more balsamic vinegar. A little bit more of that balsamic vinegar and a little bit more of that olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Really good stuff, imported from Sicily right there. Sicilian virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Mix that up. Take a little bit of that black garlic in there, that's making it. Black garlic. And then we take a little bit of Italian bread, some nice fresh Italian bread. Whoop! It couldn't wait to get in there. Dunk that in that black garlic and the spice mixtures and that dipping sauce, and put that in my mouth. Oh, that's as good as anything I've ever had in an Italian restaurant. Very good. Delicious. Okay, let's get our Yardbird out here and finish this video up. Stay tuned. Alright, that Yardbird is finally done. Gonna move him over here and get the Frosty Root Boy mug out here. And for today's beer, we've got one of my favorites, Funky Buddha Hop Gun IPA. Rob, I love this beer. I know you're not wild about it. 7.6 ABV. It's a hoppy ale from my favorite brewery, Funky Buddha, which is right down the street here in Oakland Park, Florida. We're going to pour this out. A hoppy brew that I love. Hop Gun. Isn't that beautiful? That's a beautiful brew right there. Funky Buddha Hop Gun. They changed the label of it. They used to have a weird label, but it's got a kind of a subdued label now. Anyway, that's going to smell like hops and barley right there, Rob. So let's take a sniff off of that. Ah, yeah, that smells great. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. I already know it's going to be good because this is like a hoppy IPA that I love. The best. Absolutely the best. Let me get my Yardbird over here. I got some more of that. I festooned him with limes for the photo op. Let's take a taste of that. Take a taste right out of his breast. Look at that. that marinade really penetrated the breast meat. You know, because I had it in there like all night. So I want to grab a piece of that. And that's just, oh, that's got that lime in there. I don't want to eat that. That wasn't meant to be. How about this? There's a piece of meat. Oh, man. That marinade is delicious. Absolutely fantastic. And the black garlic really makes it. And my black garlic dipping sauce, which I made to put some, I had too big of a piece in my mouth earlier. Put some Italian bread on that black garlic dipping sauce. Take some of that in your mouth. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh boy, Tango spice makes it good. Let me tell you what. This is one awesome Yardbird. It's delicious. This dipping sauce is excellent. Black garlic is for the win. Let me tell you what, babies. Oh yeah. Black garlic for the win. Hey. Pardon me while I chew. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out Tango Spice Cooking and Adventure. You might like what he's doing. He posts a video every once in a while. He makes the best spice blends on the planet. Go check his in the description. Go buy some Tango Spice. Tell him the Root Boy sent you. Okay? Alright, babies. We'll see you next week. Bye.